Happy holidays, everyone. I'm back again with another. This time, it's going to be a delicious eat instead of a tasty treat. Now, prices is all up, all over, not just in New York, but everywhere. And so today I'm going to make Peruvian chicken. I bought chicken because of all the meats, chicken is still somewhat affordable. And if this is your first time to this channel, thank you, welcome. All of my recipes is easy, delicious, and tasty. And if you're returning, welcome back. Okay, so let's get started. You'll probably be surprised at how easy this recipe is. And remember, this is my take on Peruvian chicken. You know, some recipes call for like 14 ingredients. I don't like recipes like that. I like recipes that's very simple, not a lot of steps, and they're delicious. So I'm going to start off with about 1 tablespoon of oil, and you can use any oil. You can use olive oil, corn oil, any oil that you have on hand. You're going to be surprised how fast and easy this recipe is. You could get it in the oven and on the table for your family in no time. Peruvian chicken may become one of your family go-to dish that they love so much. Okay, so now I'm going to take about a half a teaspoon. No, I'm going to do a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, no, a half a teaspoon of Chipotle. And I know what you're thinking. It's going to be spicy, but it won't. So, can you see that? Oh, I hope you can. Yeah. And I'm using a powder. Usually they use like the dried chilies. But again, you have to grind that up and cook it down. And I want something easy as possible and fast that you could get in the oven, on the table, and your family is sitting down eating, enjoying their meal, and you're with them and you're not overtired. Ground cumin. I hope everyone is enjoying their holidays. And that's why I came up with this recipe, something easy for the holidays, and so you can spend more time with your family than in the kitchen. Please take a minute, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers, and when I do, I'm going to do a giveaway. And this is Chipotle. Now, no, I'm sorry, this is Ancho chili. And again, it's not spicy. I hope you can see this where it says mild, sweet, and wonderful. That's exactly how your food is going to taste. Delish. So wonderful, your family will ask for it again. And with that, I'm also going to do a half a teaspoon. And I'm just breaking it over the chicken. And I love my garlic powder. I use a lot of it. All the measurements will be in the description box, so don't worry. Again, sprinkle that all over. Now, I'm going to use adobo, but if you didn't want to use adobo, you can use salt and pepper. But since I have adobo in hand, I'm going to use that. Okay. Clean hands in the kitchen is your best friend. And you just want to coat it all over the chicken. And that was the purpose of putting the oil on the chicken, because the seasonings will stay. And I'm using short thighs and legs, but if you want to use a whole chicken, you can. Or chicken wings. I probably wouldn't do chicken breast because they may dry out in the oven. Okay, so everything is well coated. I like for every part of my chicken to be tasteful. Okay, tasty. Okay, so I'm going to put this, wait, let me give my hand a quick rinse. And I just clean my hand with a little bit of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use bleach and water. I do wash my chicken. Everyone may not, but I just rinse it in a little bit of vinegar and water, and then pat it dry. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 to 400. Now, everyone's oven is different, so after 35 to 40 minutes, it should be done. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. Delicious Peruvian chicken. My take on it. And you could put this in the oven again. I don't know if I said 350 to 400 for 35 to 40 minutes. Please take a minute, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. It costs you absolutely nothing. And if you're wondering, what is the greens on the top? Well, it's my trusted French green beans that I just cooked down in a little bit of butter and a little bit of salt. But again, if you don't like green beans, you could leave it off. Your family's still gonna love this Peruvian chicken. Until next time, enjoy.